Hey everyone, welcome back. This is Amrita. क्या आपने कभी सोचा है कि अगर आपको बहुत अच्छी इंग्लिश आती है, you can understand English movies, you can read English newspaper, you can read articles, you know hundreds of English words. But suddenly अगर कोई कहता है, can you introduce yourself? तो आपका ब्रेन कहता है 1 minute. Why does this happen? क्योंकि knowing English and speaking English are two different skills. Today, I'll explain why speaking is the missing piece that transforms your English. So, in first video, in this playlist, we had talked about listening. तो हमने बात की थी कि जब बच्चा पैदा होता है तो वो वही लैंग्वेज सुनता हुआ बड़ा होता है और ग्रेजुअली वो वही लैंग्वेज जो उसके एनवायरमेंट में है बोलना शुरू कर देता है. लेकिन इसके लिए उसका एनवायरमेंट भी तो वही लैंग्वेज का होना चाहिए. लेकिन तब हम क्या करें जब हमें सीखनी तो कोई और लैंग्वेज है लेकिन हमारा एनवायरमेंट दूसरी लैंग्वेज का है, हमारे आसपास दूसरी भाषा बोली जा रही है और हम सीखना कुछ और चाहते हैं. तो देखिए, लिसनिंग फिल्स योर ब्रेन. इमेजिन यू आर फिलिंग अ वाटर टैंक. Every English conversation you hear, every podcast, every YouTube video that you listen to adds another drop. वो एक एक ड्रॉप ऐड करता जाता है उस टैंक में. Listening gives your brain English, but it doesn't force your mouth to use it. फिर हमने रीडिंग की बात की थी. Reading grows your vocabulary. That's true. When you read, you discover new words, you learn new sentence patterns, you recognize better grammar. Reading makes you understand English. But understanding isn't the same as producing. तो हमें जो रीडिंग है वोकैबुलरी तो एनहांस कर देगी, हमें अच्छी ग्रामर सिखा देगी, हमें अच्छे अच्छे सेंटेंस पैटर्न सिखा देगी, बट वो आपको बोलना नहीं सिखाएगी. So, speaking is just like learning to ride a bicycle. Imagine, आप बाइसिकल के ऊपर साइकिलिंग के ऊपर 10 बुक्स पढ़ लेते हैं. You watch 50 YouTube videos. You know everything about bicycles. Can you ride one? No. Because riding is a skill. So is speaking. So you improve only by doing it. केवल जब आप वो काम करते हैं तभी आप उसे सीखते हैं. एक प्रैक्टिकल एग्जांपल लेते हैं. इमेजिन आपको एक शब्द आता है एग्जॉस्टेड. आपने कहीं पढ़ा जिसका मतलब होता है बहुत 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 ज्यादा टायर्ड. You know the meaning, you understand it. Then someone asks, how was your day? और आप कह देते हैं, I was very very tired. Why? क्यों? Because your mouth is trained to say very tired, not exhausted. Speaking builds that habit. वो habit बनाती है उन शब्दों को बोलने की. Another example. You know the sentence, I appreciate it. But when someone helps you, you still say thank you. Nothing wrong with it. But because you've never practiced saying, I really appreciate it, your brain doesn't retrieve it. Speaking creates retrieval speed. So the biggest mistake जो बड़ी mistake learners करते हैं, they still wait, many learners, they still wait, I'll speak after my grammar improves, I'll speak after my vocabulary improves, I'll speak after I become fluent. But ये तो उसी तरह से कहने वाली बात हो गई कि I'll start swimming after I become a good swimmer. तो भाई मैं तो तभी स्विम करना शुरू करूंगा जब मैं बहुत अच्छा स्विमर बन जाऊंगा. It doesn't work that way. तो your brain learns by retrieval. Every time you speak, your brain searches for words. That search is called retrieval. तो आपका ब्रेन शब्दों को ढूंढता है जब आप बोलते हैं. So the more you retrieve, the faster your English becomes. So that's why इसीलिए speaking शुरुआत में difficult होती है, क्योंकि your brain is building new pathways. So एक छोटी सी habit डाल लीजिए. Don't wait for a speaking partner. Just describe what you're doing. कोई भी काम जो आप कर रहे हैं ना, उसको बस कहने की आदत डाल लीजिए. I'm making tea, I'm looking for my keys, I'm opening the window, I'm charging my phone, I'm going upstairs. ये जो these simple sentences, they train your brain every day. तो आपके ब्रेन को ट्रेन कर देते हैं. दूसरी बात, ट्रांसलेट मत करिए. Instead of thinking, how do I say this in English? Try thinking directly in English. Look around your room. अपने रूम के आसपास देखिए. Say, the fan is spinning. My phone is charging. My notebook is lying on the table. The chair is broken. Your room becomes your classroom. तो secret ये है कि learning fills your brain with English. Reading expands your vocabulary. And speaking activates everything. Without speaking, your English stays inside your head. With speaking, it becomes part of you. So, today, आप ये मत सोचिए कि आपको perfect English बोलनी है. Aim to speak just one sentence. Tomorrow, speak 2. Then 3. Fluency doesn't arrive in one day. So it grows one sentence at a time. So speak even if you make mistakes. भले ही आप गलती करिए पर बोलिए. Because every sentence आप जो बोल रहे हैं वो एक one step closer है to confident English. So one suggestion, अपने आप को एक 7 days का challenge दीजिए English speaking का. So क्या करिए कि day 1 introduce yourself. Day 2, describe your room. Day 3, describe your morning routine. Day 4, talk about your favorite movie. Day 5, describe what people around you are doing. Day 6, speak for 1 minute without stopping. And day 7, record yourself and listen to it. So, जब आप सुनते हैं, when you listen to yourself, so it's just like कि आप किसी और को सुन रहे हैं, आप better judge कर पाएंगे कि आप कहाँ पर गलती कर रहे हैं. So, thank you for watching. अगर आपको लगता है कि ये lessons आपको मदद कर रहे हैं, please subscribe to Elevate English with Amrita. And अगर आप अपनी vocabulary को enhance करना चाहते हैं, so please subscribe to Flair for Words. I'll leave the link in the description. And until then, I'll see you in the next video. Until then, keep speaking, keep learning, keep building your English. Thank you so much.